Welcome back to Quiz Wall. Guess 50 animals from easy to impossible. Easy level. It's a cat.
No way.
A dog. Rabbit. A mouse. Goldfish. A parrot. Hamster. A turtle. It's a guinea pig. A frog. A canary. A butterfly. A horse. It's a chicken. It's a snake. Now stepping up from the commonplace critters, let's now journey into the realm of the extraordinary, medium level. A dolphin. An elephant. And giraffe. It's a koala. Penguin. A seal. An octopus. It's in kangaroo. It's a hippopotamus. A sloth. It's rocket raccoon. Lemur. A chimpanzee. A walrus. Now that we've explored the familiar and the extraordinary, let's delve into the realm of the rare and formidable. Difficult level. A Komodo dragon. A snow leopard. A gorilla. A wolf. An ocelot. A hyena. Lynx. A cheetah. Jaguar. A finnick fox. A kangaroo. It's Emu Sama. After braving the wild, let's delve into the realm of the most unique and mysterious creatures known to us. Impossible level. A platypus. An axolot. A koala. An okapi. Aye. It's a pangolin. A quokka. A tarsia. A numbat. If you enjoyed the video, please consider to like, subscribe, and comment your answers.